Welcome to Unseen Aircrafts, a thrilling realm where you can witness unusual aviation occurrences. In today's video, we will unveil a collection of exclusive events, showcasing the unseen wonders that defy the boundaries of the sky. This DC-10 engine unleashes fiery bursts, igniting the ground with its blazing power resembling afterburner engines during a thrilling engine test run. Embarking on a heart-stopping descent, the DHC-6 Twin Otter gracefully approaches the treacherous runway of the world's third most dangerous airport. With its runway alarmingly short and a bustling road mere inches away, this high-risk landing is further complicated by a daunting hill standing defiantly before the aircraft's path. Amidst this nerve-wracking danger, a specialized license becomes an absolute imperative for any pilot daring to conquer this formidable aviation challenge. Despite their formidable strength, even the mightiest of airplane tires can succumb to unexpected forces. In this case, the Sky Express, a 320 departing from Heraclion, encountered a heart-stopping tire burst while touching down at Brussels Airport. Miraculously, the aircraft managed to come to a halt without incurring any further harm.